to my channel. So it's my friend. Today we will go to play bowling in Taipei. So follow me, I will tell you the way to go. Let's go!
Hôm nay mình sẽ dẫn các bạn đến khu chơi bowling ở Đài Loan để xem mọi người ở đây đi chơi bowling ở đâu nha.
They loving me because I'm a YouTuber. I got it. Now we on train. So we gonna go to the Jiandan station. Really? While sleeping? Gate number 1.
Các bạn đi ra từ Jiandan Station ở exit 1 nha. Ở đây có cream cake rất là ngon.
I gonna introduce you guys cream cake. Should we try it one time? Hey, today we have leader, so I will follow her. So you guys hop off in Jiandan station and towards the gate number 1. Right now I follow the tour guide. She's from Taiwanese, so that's why you know where to go. Here you can say play bowling. By Chinese, Wang bowling. Bowling, still bowling. We have trouble. Just go the wrong way. Now we should go back.
Khi ra khỏi exit 1 thì các bạn phải rẽ sang bên phải và đi theo hướng bên phải. Bọn mình vừa đi hướng bên trái nên bây giờ phải đi ngược lại này.
Opposite Jiandan station. Okay, we're right here. There's a building with blue light opposite to Jiandan station, and on the left, go trace and turn left side. You will reach the bowling center.
Take a look. I show the address of center in the middle of screen. Đây là Yuan-san, trung tâm bowling nằm ở trên tầng 2. Các bạn sẽ thấy nó đối diện ngay Jiandan Station. Mình có để kèm địa chỉ ở đây nha. It looks like not crowded, right? Maybe because today is Friday. I think tomorrow will be crowded.
Research is reception. You need to pay 90 for register, an entrance fee, and 30 NT for renting shoe. So totally one people will pay 120 NT.
Oh, I just realized that the money you pay depends on the time you enter. See, you should pay higher price if you enter from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Các bạn chú ý là tiền vào cửa sẽ thay đổi theo thời gian nha. Từ 6 giờ tối đến 10 giờ tối sẽ là thời điểm đắt nhất.
So first thing you need to do, you take off the shoe, measure your feet size, and they will give you the appropriate one. My turn. Các bạn cởi giày, đo cỡ giày và đưa giày cho họ thì họ sẽ đưa lại cho các bạn một đôi giày phù hợp nha. Take a look, the shoe is so nice, so beautiful, it's colorful. So all of the women love it. Now let's take a look at the monitor. It will help you to count how many score you get. So firstly, you should be type all of the members' name. Các bạn nhớ viết tên của từng thành viên trong đội lên trên bảng theo dõi này nha. Nó sẽ tính điểm cho từng bạn một. My friends, you want to make the brief about bowling, but all of us is beginner.
So we should shoot the ball first. Have many points and depending on the weight you can handle. through the ball. Yeah, professional. For those who know how to play, we don't know how to play. And don't try to get it in the middle. You want the ball to go either to the left.
You want to hit the all of the pin. You shouldn't put the ball in the middle line.
One time of payment, you have 10 rounds to play.
Mỗi một lần trả tiền thì các bạn được chơi 10 vòng nha. Really, the ball go away is so strange. Don't get a high score at all. Got it. I play so bad. My friend become a background. Hey, my friend is also the YouTuber. Hi, how are you? You can like and subscribe her channel through the below link, okay? Hey, my friend. You should remember to return the shoe. Don't take it with you because of loving. We're gonna go back now. We will have dinner in Silly Market. Bye bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.